Okay, so today we're going to be making a classic airplane. So first you just need a book. Like I have the Backyard Astronomer's Guide. I'm actually going to make a few astronomy videos. If you're watching this in the future, make sure you look at that. So now, the first thing you have to do is fold your paper in half. Hot dog face. Make sure the crease is good. The key to paper airplanes is good crease. Unfold it and take the right corner and bend it to the line and crease. Same with the other. It's okay if it's a little uneven, that happens to me too. Now, you have to do the exact same thing. With this corner, fold into the center. Same with the other side. Now, fold your whole paper airplane in half. Now we're going to make the wing. So take about 3 to 4 inches from the nose and pull back, just like this. Same with the other side. Now this is optional, but if you want to make a little rudder, you can do that here too, by just folding this corner up. Usually it helps it fly better, so I do it. Then here you have your paper airplane. You hold it like that and you can fly it.